delta TB equal to del TB minus T naught B, delta TB equal to KB M, where M equal to molality. KB is molar elevation constant for ebullioscopic constant. Molecular mass absolute can be calculated as delta TB equal to KB into WB into 1000 divided by MB into WA. MB equal to KB into WB divided by WA into 1000 divided by delta TB, where WB and WA equal to mass absolute and solvent respectively. KB has units of kilogram Kelvin per mole or Kelvin kilogram mole inverse. For water, KB equal to 0.52 Kelvin kilogram mole inverse. The boiling point elevation of a solution is determined by first is Landersberg methods, Landsberg method, and second is Cutler's methods. Next colligative property is depression in freezing point, delta TF. Freezing point of a liquid is the temperature at which vapor pressure of the solvent in its liquid and solid phase become equal. As we know that vapor pressure of a solution containing non-volatile solute is lower than that of pure solvent. Solid from solid form gets separated out at a lower temperature as shown in the figure. This decreases in freezing point of a liquid is known as depression in freezing point. Depression in freezing point, delta TF equal to T naught F minus TF, delta TF equal to KF into M equal to KF WB by MB into 1000 by WA. To find molecular mass absolute, MB equal to KF into WB into 1000 divided by delta TF into WA, where Kf is molar depletion constant or cryoscopic constant. Kf has units of Kelvin per mole or Kelvin kilogram mole inverse. Ethylene glycol is usually added to water in the radiator to lower its freezing point. It is called antifreeze solution. Common salt NaCl and anhydrous CaCl2 are used to clear snow on the road because they depress the freezing points of water. The freezing point and depression is determined by Beckmann's method or Rost method. Next topic is osmosis. Osmosis. Osmosis is the phenomenon of spontaneous flow of the solvent molecules through a semi-permeable membrane from pure solvent to solution or from a dilute solution to concentrate solution. Some natural semi-permeable membranes are animal bladders, cell membrane, etc. Copper ferrocyanide CO2 efficient 6 is an artificial semi-permeable membrane which does not work in non-aqueous solution as it dissolves in them. Osmosis may be: first is exoosmosis. It is outward flow of water or solvent from a cell through semi-permeable membrane. And second is endoosmosis. It is inward flow of water or solvent from a cell through a semi-permeable membrane. Osmotic pressure: the hydrostatic pressure developed on a solution which just prevent the osmosis of pure solvent into the solution through a semi-permeable membrane is called osmotic pressure. Osmotic pressure is represented by pi. Osmotic pressure equal to CRT, where R equal to solution constant, T equal to absolute temperature, and C is concentration.